City birds. We see a lot of birds when we go to some wildlife forest or a bird sanctuary. Do you think you can find any birds in the city? Yes, you can. But you need to look carefully and observe closely. Let's do some city bird watching. One bird that we can see very easily is the dove. We call them pigeons too. We can see pigeons in various colors. Pigeons live in the city. They live in large flocks. Some flocks have 50 pigeons. Some have even 500 pigeons. They live wherever they get food. Trafalgar Square in London is famous for pigeons. Gateway of India in Mumbai is famous for pigeons too. The dove is also used as a symbol of peace. Another bird we always see in the city is the crow. Crows are known as city cleaners. They eat garbage most of the time. Sometimes they eat dead animals like rats too. A group of crows is called a murder. It is also called a flock, muster, or storytelling of crows. Do you know there can be tens of thousands of crows in a murder? Another bird we used to see in our city was the sparrow or house sparrow. They mostly eat seeds and small insects. Earlier, there were many sparrows in our city. Have you seen sparrows near your home recently? The house sparrow is an endangered species in India. Shocking, but true. Why has this happened? It's because there are too many people and too many buildings in the city. There is just no place left for these small birds to live. Mobile towers are also a reason to drive sparrows away. But in villages and small towns, we can still see a host, knot, or quarrel of sparrows. One more bird we can easily spot is the parrot. Green parrots are also put in a cage as pets. Do you think that's okay? We can also see a big bird sitting on the water tank of a tall building or on a tall tree. This is a kite. It flies very high in the sky to search for prey. One more city bird is Maina or Salunki. Thinking right. Which other birds have you seen in the city? Try to find out some more birds and animals you can see around your home and get more information about them.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.